This song is True Colours, which is a crowd favourite. Whenever we go into schools, all of you go, "Come and sing True Colours, please!" And you love it. What I love about this song is its inclusivity. The fact that we use sign language with it. Now, sign language is just another way to communicate with people who can't hear or who can't speak. And I really recommend that we all go out and learn sign in some way, shape or form to be able to communicate with people who can't use their voice. Let's just quickly run through the signs of True Colours. Okay, the easiest way, peace sign, and then bring that piece to your eye. I see, and then make your hand into a nice slate, and slate, true, true. I see you're true, and then with your hand make a little C, and pull it towards you, colours. I see your true colours shining through. I see your true colours. And take your first finger, pop it over your heart, that's why. And that's why, I hope you're doing this, by the way. I hope it's just not just me. And that's why I love you. Okay? And that's why I love you. So don't be afraid. Sometimes when we feel fear, it kind of comes in our chest, doesn't it? And our chest gets all tight when we feel afraid. So this is just sort of reassuring yourself, patting your chest. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colours. True colours are beautiful. Beautiful. If you want to remember it, it comes from the beard. Beautiful beard. Are beautiful like a rainbow. Okay, let's just walk it through. I see your true colours shining through. I see your true colours, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colours. True colours are beautiful like a rainbow. And sing this song like it means something. It's not just a slow, therefore boring song. It's a slower song that has feeling, that has passion, that has emotion in it. So feel that emotion as well while you're singing this song and signing. Have fun.
makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear. You call me up because you know I'll be there, and Bye.